What emergency expenses surprise most pop-up drink stands? The most common surprise emergency expense for pop-up drink stands is equipment failure, especially with refrigeration or dispensing machines. Pop-up drink stands rely heavily on equipment like coolers, ice machines, and drink dispensers to keep beverages cold and ready to serve. When any of this equipment breaks down unexpectedly, it can stop the entire operation, causing a loss of sales and unhappy customers. For example, if the refrigerator stops working on a hot day, the drinks might spoil quickly, and the stand will need to either fix or replace it fast to continue business. Another surprising emergency expense is the need for immediate repairs due to damage caused by weather, such as strong winds knocking over stands or rain damaging electrical parts. Sometimes stands also face unexpected costs for health inspections or permits if something changes in local regulations that require updated compliance quickly. An interesting fact is that many pop-up stands underestimate the cost of replacement parts or rush repairs, which can be more expensive than planned. It's smart for operators to keep a small emergency fund just for these situations and to have a quick contact list of repair services nearby. This preparation can save time and money when unexpected problems hit. One common mistake is not regularly maintaining equipment, which often leads to sudden breakdowns. A simple tip is to perform weekly checks on refrigerators and dispensers before opening. Many people also forget to factor in weather-related damages in their budgets, so keeping protective covers or tents handy can reduce costly repairs. Another misconception is assuming emergency expenses are rare. In reality, these costs can add up quickly if you don't prepare, so setting aside a small percentage of daily earnings for emergencies helps avoid financial stress. Lastly, some pop-up stands overlook the importance of having backup equipment or supplies, which could keep business running smoothly during repairs. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and offer their estimates.